Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. One animal feat shatters everything we think we know about an ordinary pet. On the outside, she's an average house cat. On the inside, she's a meowing Mozart. Meet Nora. Her owner, Betsy, a piano teacher, first became aware of Nora's surprising skill when the cat was just a year old. According to Betsy, Nora's feline flair is simple. She wants the same attention Betsy gives her human students. As someone begins playing off camera, Nora watches and waits for her cue. Unable to resist a powerful urge.
Cats have the same hearing as humans. They can hear all the same tones, but they can also hear much higher tones. So she does hear a difference in the tones between the different keys.
In fact, cats can hear up to 5 times more sound frequencies than humans. And though cats are essentially solitary, they do communicate, combining both body language and sound to express what some believe is a range of 16 responses or emotions, from grief to fear. And cats are born imitators, mastering life-saving skills as kittens, mimicking their mothers, as evidenced in Betsy's version of call and response. Today, Nora continues to astound her owner. And while science struggles to explain this phenomenal feat, Betsy remains convinced her cat's marching to the beat of her own score.